No one knows about this place.
Oh my god! Whoa! Restricted access, and she doesn't care.
Oh my god! What's wrong?
Look at the night and
590.
silent water. Whoa!
What's like that?
We are tired.
Yeah.
I am tired.
If you watched our previous vlog, if you haven't, link down below. But we went to Magic Kingdom for the after hours and we stayed up till 1 AM.
Alright, see ya.
Stop. What just happened?
We got extra Danish.
Yeah, so they gave us an extra Danish and we were like, oh sorry, we actually ordered a Danish and a
Cinnamon cake.
Cinnamon coffee cake. And they're like, oh no worries, just keep that one, we'll give you a cinnamon. I'm like, this ain't the magic of Disney, this is the magic of Universal.
Hello!
Hello, so we're actually still not at a park yet because we have a severe thunderstorm coming, if you can't see by this weather. We saw loads of people from Volcano Bay going, run! And we're like, ha ha, oh he's running. Thunder!
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at that. Honey!
Thunder! Big thunder!
Happy?
Yeah, I got scared.
Okay, so the storm has
Passed.
and we're gonna get the bus now from our hotel to Universal. Look at him in his touristy gear. Yeah, you embrace it, honey. You embrace it. So we are in.
Well. Come here. She lost.
I don't know what you're talking about. You've got no proof. No proof at all.
So, since I'm such a nice boyfriend, I'll give her this point.
No!
I'll give her this point.
I'm gonna go on Men in Black later and I'm gonna beat your ass.
Oh, you don't want that 3 point?
I'm gonna have a bonus round.
You don't want it's 4? Oh, at the moment I can give her 1 point.
No, I want a bonus round.
You want a bonus round?
If I win Men in Black today, I get 2 points.
You got 2 points. All right, it's on.
Like Donkey Kong. Like Donkey Kong. Okay, so we got
the crepe strawberry hazelnut. This is insanely heavy. It was really good. Just put it in my completely. No, she put it like it's like a fucking sandwich. Yeah, that's right.
that is nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
Wait, leave some for me. Okay, so we're doing something that I thought that we'd never do.
It's 10 minutes wait, so we're gonna go do Fast and Furious. The cars are cool. I give them that. The cars are cool.
I don't think we have any. Oh my god.
If it's less than 20 minutes wait, go for it just to see it once. Don't bother them.
Okay,
we're gonna go now to...
Diagon?
No.
Oh?
No.
Men in Black.
Men in Black. So she was winning again. She had 64,000, I had 23. And then at the end, 100k bonus went to me because I pressed it in time.
I basically won.
No, she didn't. She didn't. So it's 5-0. She wanna go again. So we're gonna go again, and this time, if she wins, it's 3 points.
Shut
for
up.
her.
I'm ready to defeat you.
Oh, big word! To see her smug face of winning, because she won. First victory.
try. It's like just in the books and in the movie. Look at this Phoenix pudding. Now we're gonna go into a secret place. No one knows about this place. Knockturn Alley. It's my best friend. No, it's in this one. I hate spiders.
Oh, look at that t-shirt. That's pretty cool. Whoa.
And he's found something.
Pretty cool.
Now we're gonna get my cape. Wow. School gown, because I'm going to school. Draco Malfoy?
Restricted access, and she doesn't care. She's just going. Alright, let's follow.
Oh my god!
Whoa. What the hell? How did we not come here before?
I don't think not many people are here. Look at this!
Whoa!
No. We're in Camp Jurassic at the moment. And we thought it's just the kids, but look at this! Oh my god! No way, look!
There's stairs here. Whoa!
Oh my god! Look at that, that is scary.
Show me, show me.
Look.
Oh my god. So, are we allowed to go here?
I think so. You okay, honey? Whoa, this is amazing. Oh, I'm kind of scared.
Whoa. That's insane. Look at the steam. Whoa. Whoa.
This place is amazing. Look at the views. What do you think of this place?
I'm surprising how big it is, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck? She got scared of this.
I'm on the edge
Of glory.
I found the exit.
Alright, found the exit. Alright, we see you at the Velocicoaster.
We're gonna go on that ride.
With express passes.
Free express passes. What's wrong?
These are not valid for the Velocicoaster.
Oh, Hagrid.
You can see it right there. We didn't read. We did all the footage and everything, and then we got denied the entry.
Oh, it's okay. Okay.
We are now entering the Forbidden Forest. Going the griff. Hypogriff. It was intense.
If you saw on the footage, my hat fell off.
She lost. I knew she was gonna lose it.
I see you, hat. Goodbye forever.
This hat, we bought it last time we've been here.
It's right there. I even got a fishing hook. He's trying to figure out how to make small.
I'm opening them.
You ready?
I'm gonna cook it.
His tongue's out.
Still burning it. So now we're gonna head to bed because we're gonna wake up early in the morning, 4 a.m. For me it's 5 because I don't have to get ready that much. So see you tomorrow.
So today I'm becoming a witch for today.